Afcon
yeah.
Jason said aka
7 days to the tournament. Now started. Near who the the new African champion and as Senegal very tiny as a African champions once again in Algeria. We continue our series on the favorites to win the competition.
Okay.
Algeria, Morocco. It is befitting that North Africa. Then we talk about the most successful team in Afcon history, the Pharaohs of Egypt. Afcon no Eshas here for the first time. And then they held on to the status. Some person mobile Afcon no intintima and a teama ye boni deepe dodwana din ebebo mutimi ya Afcon inti. They retained it in 1959 as well. But a combat they will go off. Then return in 1986 to win it. 1986 we met now until 1998. 1998 there will be a gap as well. Then Omo host in 2006. A honor 3-peat network 2008, 2010. But after 2010, Egypt say, "What me a year senior was so inti." They even missed out 2010 Omoji 2012 Oman qualified, 2015 Oman qualified, returned in 2017, lost the finals to Cameroon. In 2019, Omo host but they missed out at the round of 16 stage. Then the last edition, Omo anymore in the final, lost by penalty shootout to Senegal. So Egypt team wa ye money din and you free Afcon nim oboni din Afcon who common dominating.
Okay.
And so except for say ye preview favorites now Egypt din and so APM. Why na your coach Rio Vitória? Rio Vitória ye Portuguese coach. Or din kesiye pa Europe. But in Africa, on he signed a 4-year contract. The Jumanan Kasasha July 2022. Into Obaya no Rio Vitória about 13 matches. Bako pen wedding Kugu.
Wow.
And that came in a friendly game against Tunisia. Omolusu by 3-1. In 13 games now, Abono, we're winning 11. And our draw back. And then the one defeat also comes in there. Senebidi can kind of why Juma were Europe. Ediama Benfica pen. Wabobo Champions League Nibia Anessa. But in Africa, winning the first major job, Awenya. And Oko Egypt's national team now, one of the biggest national sides on the African continent. Indiana pressure wompa. Into the Hector Coupe Mobeye, Carlos Queiroz Mobeye. These are all coaches who came with European pedigree. Hector Coupe Yadia, he qualified Egypt to the World Cup after a very long time. But na ejumano, send na to do na hwehwe Okoye Egypt ejumano went me anje Afcon a. Yenheda nkan won kan ho. Carlos Queiroz the same. Obeye ejumano went me anje Afcon a. Yenkan won kan ho. But these are coaches who had European pedigree. Omo bae no. They did not do the job to satisfaction. And the standard Egypt will be Hassan Shehata. Then Mahmoud El Gohari, Murad Fahmy. These are coaches who are no locals. Already Egypt a J Afcon trophy ni bi. Shata kra de miensa.
Oh yeah.
So there na ye hwe nim se Rio Vitória obetimi aye e ama the Egypt omo national side no. Ye hwe the philosophy. Oye coach or a possession-oriented coach. You can't say or person the team nikita ball anymore. Now the ball no agro determine the person or park and so.
Okay.
Now most possession-oriented coaches, they look out for 3 things. Back on a organization, mienu a balance, miensa a present. Organization and balance no ebe mostly when ball no ekitomo. Enti yahyehyɛ ye team ni send ye beya ye kita ball ne pay to me spread the koha ye team the ball edi dwuma. Then the balance ne so ne say ni team no or perceive every department bia no enya quality asend ye beya the characteristics of ni team no ebe dey di na dey di. And then ye hwɛ the present na if the team no enkita ball na enough some ye team omo kondo so omo kita ball ne boninti, they will quickly find a way out to retrieve or win back possession. Na afi wasanso astarte the possession style of play no. Inti ade a ohwe nim say ade ono ne coaching philosophy no a bet transfer straight to the Egyptian national team and a kahon ene ne dwumadi a odi which we will come to. But to the squad. Or announce 27-man squad December 27th. But unfortunately 2 players April, so they won't make it.
Yeah.
Nabil Koka Epra. So Mohamed Lassin, na abɛhyɛ 9. Then Osama Gabal, central defender, one and more builder for the future. Also Epra, and Yasser Ibrahim, the brilliant centre back for Al-Ahly. Also about replacing, but all the same, Omo squad now. It is a very, very good team. Now, squad no de bano. Say Egypt bet Miaje Afcon na. Luther, it is mostly based on their defense.
Sir, not about attackers.
Say Egypt bet Afcon na. It is about their defenders. Not because of goals or moon concede, but the build-up play and the philosophy of the coach,
Okay.
The defenders will be very crucial to Bono Mbebono.
Okay.
And it formed the intention behind say all selected players or Mbabebo any team. Centre backs, no particularly, will act mostly as the first initiators of the build-up play. Goalkeeper no Mohamed El Shanawi. On your ball playing goalkeeper bebre bet my and son in the
Okay.
But say kasi started build up near money boom boom. It will start with the centre backs, and they will play a crucial role. On the 5 centre backs with different motives. One, okase ope the physical aspect into ope centre backs are or more height 190 centimeters or more. Good. Now 190 centimeters or you 2. Back on this guy Ahmed Egazi, former West Brom defender Ahmed Egazi 195 centimeters. And the second one Ali Gaba or 193 centimeters. What does this mean? Omoma no aerial dominance when Omu defended aerial balls, air ball 18-yard box in him. And then during set piece situations, a tournament set piece will play a role.
Yeah.
And it's a free kick, corner, they will also give me presence in the opponent box.
Okay.
Into a 2 local use into up 2 centre backs. So Hegazi start here. The obetna bench obedi pitaizen no a Gaba.
Okay.
But Obuyina no omo height ne bro sane threshold of 190 centimeters.
Yes, omo ye brand
in. Good. Ojina way so they disqualify Yasser Ibrahim and sakra na injury obi proud in the babeshem. So at the height in here Yasser Ibrahim was 183. And Yasser Ibrahim is all compare centre backs me na me boy Ali Gaba ne Hegazi na. Body the only bossy almost central defender.
Okay.
But ne height Emanem qualify embem yenyandru ha just relax. Emanem qualify endru the official because I 183 centimeters and at the 2 na me boy 195 193. Then the second criteria for selecting centre backs 5 another one see a one for the future. Now as a team na me will contract until 2026. Hegazi ne Gaba no omo 30 and more.
Okay.
Enti I was say minya players as well. They will get tournament experience or either play in this tournament. Then in the future I can rely on them, particularly targeting the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Into selected 2. Again, Mohamed Aboumonem, who is the best central defender in Egypt currently.
Okay.
Then Osama Galal. Galal na eprana yede Yasser Ibrahim abeshenanai.
Okay.
Yasser Ibrahim is 31 years, so he's not one for the future. Ne height no a disadvantage. Enti Galani 26 years. So in as much as Onimbo ne Bobebre to say Yasser Ibrahim, but on bet me the Omenia so counting towards 2026. Enti Edeni Beshemu, even at the expense of Obia all bo alali. Wabo club World Cup a boni but coach ne say on fete criteria and inti or dropping so height Yasser Ibrahim free and then future ni free mo. Then the last one was obi a coach na feel say oye coachable obetimi play to onu coach na typically and not strictly to the instructions. And also or the Ahmed Sami the best one fire say Ibrahim. Now the reason I choose Ahmed Sami ne say Sami no a bomb more to onu coach na send you see a pen a ball no.
Okay.
And he chose him at the expense of wine. Yasser Ibrahim. Now, dear Intina coach, this or pay Ahmed Sami. That is where we start.
Okay.
Maybe Mohamed Abdoumonim. Abdoumonim a ball playing centre back, very comfortable with the ball at his feet. Coach ni philosophy ni possession oriented. Na the tia meka say Egypt betimi akọ omonim no magi Afcon no this tournament na. Mostly about almost center backs ne say. Coach ni be here center backs a ball ni kita omo they won't panic. They will pick the right pass, either passing through the second layer of their team, which is the middle, and I said the third layer, which is the attack. And the defender ball ni kita na o to make drain kwa kan ehun say. Some ball pass where a attack, it is leading to a goal creation.
Okay.
And now leading